Now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. You have only one chapter for this time, right?
Ma'am.
Which is the chapter?
Ma'am, plants and their structure.
All right.
Plant structure and function.
Okay. Have you learned the chapter? Should I, in the sense, have you revised it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I directly
Ma'am,
start asking questions?
Ma'am, only that's note only.
Only?
Notes.
Only notes. You did not read the textbook?
No, ma'am. I will
पागल बच्चा,
read
ऐसे
today
थोड़ी होता,
only. That's why.
ऐसे नहीं होता. Do one thing. First 2 pages करो जल्दी, मैं उसमें से oral पूछूंगी. हम 2 पेज करते हैं, तो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. 5 minutes, 2 pages, revise. I will ask questions. Again 5 minutes, 2 pages, I'll ask questions. हमारा 20-25 मिनट में हो भी जाएगा. जल्दी करो. Then we will do English. Okay? Simran, can you hear me? Simran, can you hear me?
ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I was going to tell you that there are text within questions in your textbook. Text के बीच में भी questions है, दो दो तीन तीन दिए हुए. Make sure you know the answers to them. If you don't know, ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep your video on, Simran. If you want, you can mute yourself, but keep your video on. That when your video freezes or something, I understand that there is an internet issue.
Okay,
Understand? Video on करो. हाँ. ऐसे ही रहने दो, and you do your work. It's fine with me. Okay?
ma'am.
Yes. Done?
Ma'am, the spelling is DITOTYLEBONOUS.
फिर से बोलो. BI.
Ma'am,
BI.
DICOTYLE.
एक मिनट रुको. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Which page is it?
Ma'am, 10.
Page number 10.
Ma'am, second last paragraph. DISTO.
Dicotyledonous. Dicotyledonous. Dicotyledonous means di means two. Cotyledon. Cotyledon means part. Ness. In the sense, those plants whose seeds can break into two. They are dicotyledonous. अब मैंगो का ट्री है. मैंगो की सीड होती है. उसके ऐसे दो टुकड़े होते हैं क्या? नहीं. That is monocotyledon. Understand? Mono यानी single. That is monocotyledonous. बट तुमने पल्सेस देखे हैं? मम्मी वो जो मूंग मसूर ऐसे बनाती ना मटकी.
हाँ मैम.
They break into two parts, है ना? They are dicotyledonous. राजमा ले लो या फिर ये कोई भी चीज है, ये सारे pulses जो होते हैं, they are dicotyledonous. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Hello, ma'am.
बेटा
And what is the meaning of PNEMU MATOPHORES? Ma'am, it is in 11th page number 11 and ma'am, second paragraph,
पैराग्राफ
last line.
न्यूमेटोफोर्स इट इज अ नेम बेटा. न्यूमा उसमें का पी साइलेंट होता है, जैसे निमोनिया में पी साइलेंट होता है वैसे न्यूमा NEUMA न्यूमा न्यूमेटोफोर्स. Okay, pneumatophores are those roots who can breathe, who can exchange oxygen with the air and the soil. उनको हम उसको अंडरलाइन करो. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर ब्रीदिंग रूट्स कॉल्ड एज और व्हाट आर pneumatophores? So pneumatophores, P silent आएगा उसमें, but you have to remember it in the spelling. Pneumatophores are the breathing roots. They can exchange oxygen from the air directly when they are inside the soil. Understand?
Ma'am,
बेटा
ma'am, use your brain power. That the question answers I don't understanding that. The
Okay,
question
I'll help you out. The first question is, what would have happened if plants like tamarind, banyan, and mango had fibrous roots? What do you mean by fibrous roots?
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes. And
The question.
fibrous
Huh.
and
Tell me.
fibrous roots are that it have fiber type root, and some are like silk, that is called that fibrous root.
No. Fibrous roots. अच्छा, fibrous root का example दो. किसके fibrous roots होते हैं?
I don't know.
Fibrous roots are generally maize, then all small ones, in the sense, let's say, all pulses you can say have fibrous roots. जितने भी pulses है ना, pulses का होता है, then और किसके होता है? बस pulses का ही होता है. Pulses has got fibrous roots. Pulses के अलावा cereals and pulses. In the sense सारा गेहूं, चावल, बाजरा, millets, all the millets, then matki, moong, all you use, all the pulses like any dals and all which you have, no, they all have fibrous roots. Understand? अब fibrous roots जो होते हैं, they spread a lot. Okay. Now, if mango, the question is, if mango, tamarind, they had fibrous roots, what would have happened? If can you hear me?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
they had fibrous roots, their roots will spread a lot inside the soil.
Soil.
Okay, because the trees are large. Fibrous roots छोटे plants का होना ठीक है, पर क्योंकि अगर पेड़ इतना है ना, तो रूट ऐसे इतना फैलता है उसका. Understand? अगर पेड़ ही इतना बड़ा होगा तो रूट कितना दूर जाएगा. Understanding? So for them, the basic adventures which they have, those roots are proper. If they would have fibrous roots, their roots will go very far reaching. Understand? ऐसा ट्री है जिसका रूट फार रीचिंग होता है, क्या कहते हैं उसको, तुमने वो देखा है, उसकी पूजा करते हैं, क्या कहते हैं उसको, बनियन ट्री, बनियन ट्री, बनियन ट्री, बनियन ट्री. उसके रूट्स जो ऊपर से ऐसे आते हैं, adventurous one, plus it has got fibrous root inside. That is the reason a banyan tree can grow on anything. A banyan tree can grow on a rock, it can grow on a तुमको वो बिल्डिंग पे भी उगते हुए दिखेंगे अगर पेंटिंग नहीं की होगी तो, पुराने बटन्स पे, because they have fibrous roots, so they have small roots which can go anywhere. Understand?
Yes.
All right. The next question which they have given you is कहाँ गया question?
What
The question is,
the
root tip is injured. If the root, see, now you tell me, what is the root tip responsible for? अगर मैं तुमको रूट दिखाऊं तो तुम्हें पता है रूट टिप किसको कहते हैं?
Yes,
हाँ, तो वो रूट टिप किस लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है?
and for the
It is responsible for the growth of the root. It is very delicate and it is responsible for the growth of the root. अगर वही टूट जाएगा तो रूट ग्रो होगा क्या?
No.
So what will happen if the root tip is injured? You tell me.
Ma'am, the plant will not grow.
Yes, the plant's growth will get hampered, or the plant's growth will get badly affected because the root will stop growing. Understand?
Yes.
All right. Read the third question.
Which type of fruits do the fenugreek? Hello? Fenugreek.
Speak.
What?
Fenugreek. Fenugreek क्या है पता है?
No, ma'am.
Fenugreek तुम खाती हो? मेथी. मेथी को fenugreek कहते हैं. Underline and write over there in your own language in Hindi if you want. तुमको हमेशा याद रहेगा. The seeds of methi are called as fenugreek seeds. They are medicinal.
Spinach
Get it?
and onion plants have.
Onion has got fibrous roots. Okay. Then spinach has got the straight root. एकदम सीधा जो आता है. एक minute, I'll tell you exactly. Onion has got fibrous roots. Spinach, and they have asked for fenugreek. Fenugreek also has a fibrous roots. Onion and पूरा होगा फिर सबका fibrous roots है. They all have fibrous roots. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Shall I ask you questions?
No, ma'am. Do you know its meaning?
Do you know? ठीक है, थोड़ी देर बाद पूछूंगी do you know का. अभी उधर तक तो पूछ लो जितना किया है. इससे पहले that you forget. Now, I'll ask you fill in the blank, one line answers that way. Okay? How was your English exam, by the way?
Ma'am, easy.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. It's given options. That's
okay. They were MCQs?
Yes, ma'am. Only MCQs. Just cancel the fill in the blank and question answer.
Okay? All right. So now you tell me, The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the dash. I repeat, the part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called dash. Options भी देती हूँ तुम्हें. Root tip, plumule, radical.
Radical.
Very good. Next question. Uh, State true or false. There is no difference in radical and plumule.
False.
Very good. Next, state true or false. The root tip is very delicate.
True.
Very good. Name the following. Okay, name the following. Which one? This part is responsible for the plant growing. This part of the plant grows below the soil for support. I repeat, this part of the plant grows below the soil for support. Your options are stem, fruit, root. Did you hear me? Should I repeat my question? Question repeat करूं? Simran, can you hear me better? Can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Now can you hear me? सुनाई दे रहा है ना? हाँ. I asked the question was name the following. Okay, I'm asking my question again. Name the following. This part of the plant grows below the soil for support. Full stop. Your options are stem, fruit, root. You're on mute, beta. Now tell me the answer. Did you hear the question?
No, ma'am.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ, मुझे बताओ अगर नहीं सुनाई देता तो. Name the following. This part of the plant grows below the soil for the support. Your options are, tell me.
Stem.
Root. Okay, the answer is root. Root is the part of the plant that grows under the soil for the support. Okay. All right. Name the following. The tip that is covered, that covers the root tip. The root tip is covered by this. I repeat.
Root cap.
Correct. Very good. The thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from stems are called dash roots.
Fibrous root.
All right. Some roots that are underground, but some grows from the stem just above the soil are called as dash.
I don't understand what you tell.
Some roots grow underground and little bit above the soil. They are called as dash. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So if this is the plant stem, the roots will grow like this. And then there would be a covering of, this is your soil. The roots would be above the soil and under the soil. What are they called as, these roots?
Adventitious.
Yes, adventitious. 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 Okay. Am I understood? All right. Last one. Okay, this is the last question. Give me what are the breathing roots called as? Simran, can you hear me? Simran, can you hear me? Simran, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. And some will call me, that's why.
Okay. My question was, what are breathing roots called as?
Breathing roots, ma'am. And you,
Spelling लिख पाओगी? Can you write the spelling?
yes, ma'am.
Write the spelling in the chat.
And there is no chat option.
How is it possible? Enable किया हुआ है मैंने. I'll send a hi, then you put a reply on
There
it.
is no chat option is coming.
Wait a minute. Can you see hi?
Yes, ma'am.
Right over there.
Okay.
Correct. It is pronounced as pneumatophore. I repeat, it is pronounced as pneumatophore. तुम बोलो अभी.
Pneumatophore.
Say again.
Pneumatophore.
Again.
Pneumatophore.
Again.
Pneumatophore.
Last time.
Pneumatophore.
Shabash. Okay. All right. Revise the further one. Do you know कि आगे का revise करो एक 1.5 page तक. I'll take a test first.
Okay, ma'am.
fast है Simran. More 5 minutes. जल्दी. I'll put my laptop
Yes,
on
ma'am.
charge. जल्दी.
And second, hello, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा बोलो.
And second 13th page number also I have to read.
नहीं 12 हो गया पूरा.
Yes, ma'am.
13th का हाँ complete करो 13th. There is half of the chapter is taken by a table. Only 2 Venetians. Complete till 13th.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
All right, let's start. Close your book. इधर से शुरू करते हैं. What is तुमको ये चाहिए ना MCQs. All right. Maize is an example of leaves of maize is an example of dash venation. I repeat, the leaves of maize is an example of dash venation. Reticulate or parallel?
Ma'am, reticulate. Hello,
It's
ma'am.
parallel. Okay, maize का parallel है. Maize is parallel.
And people is
People
reticulate.
leaf is. Can you tell me one difference between parallel and reticulate venation?
And parallel.
वेनेशन का मतलब होता है वेन्स. वेन्स कैसे जाते हैं उसको कहते हैं हम वेनेशन. द नेटवर्क दैट इज फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द वेन्स इज कॉल्ड एज वेनेशन. हमारे भी हाथ में वेन्स दिखते हैं ना, हाथ में दिखते हैं, यहाँ दिखते हैं, वैसे ही लीफ पे भी दिखते हैं. सो दोज द नेटवर्क व्हिच इज फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ वेन्स इज कॉल्ड एज वेनेशन. वेन ऐसी ऐसी जा रही है कि सीधे जा रही है. इफ इट इज गोइंग क्रिस क्रॉस देन इट इज रेटिकुलेट. अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे हमारी आंखों में भी दिखती है ना?
Yes.
And if it is going straight, then it is called as parallel.
Parallel.
So your maze is always parallel. Remember it. All right. I'll ask you next one. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, you have tell 2 examples.
What?
Ma'am, you have give me 2 examples.
Your school teacher has told you?
No, ma'am. You
And
have told to give me 2 examples.
no. If you know, you can. I asked you, give me one difference between parallel venation and reticulated venation. Okay, not an issue. Next one. Yes, MCQ. Hmm. Okay. Uh, the tip or the apical end of a stem is called a dash. I repeat, the tip or the apical end of a stem is called dash. Your options are growing end, bud, node.
What?
I'll repeat my question. The tip or apical end, APICAL, apical end of the stem is called a dash. Your options are growing end, NODES, nodes, या फिर BUD, bud.
I'm bird.
Correct. Good. चुका था भी correct होगा, मुझे पता नहीं, but it was correct. All right. Leaves come out at the dash. I repeat, leaves come out at the dash. I repeat, leaves come out at the dash. Do you know the answer?
I'm leaf glass.
No. I'm giving you options. Growing end, NODES, nodes, या फिर internodes.
I'm internode.
Nodes.
No.
The answer was nodes. Okay. The part of the stem between two nodes is called an dash. I repeat, the part of stem between two nodes is called a dash or an dash. Your options are BUD, bud, NODE, node, या फिर internode.
I'm internode.
Okay. Next one. The broad spread out part of a leaf is called the dash. I repeat, the broad spread out part of the leaf is called the dash. Your options are, I'm telling you the options. Lamina, yeah, leaf margin, leaf base. I repeat, your options are lamina. I'm repeating my question and options. The broad spread out part of the leaf is called the dash. Options hai lamina, leaf margin, leaf base.
Leaf margin.
Lamina. लीफ वाले पॉइंट को मार्जिन ये करो, स्टार करो. आई एम डैम श्योर तुम इसमें कंफ्यूज होती हो. यू हैव टू लर्न दिस ट्वाइस. Okay, you should know what is a leaf base, you should know what is leaf margin, lamina yani leaf blade, you should know all those things. Okay, learn it properly. Put a star on it and make sure you learn this tonight anyhow, अच्छे से. All right. Another one. Name the following. Okay, name the following. These are small leaf-like structures present near the leaf base. I repeat, these are small leaf-like structures present near the leaf base. Your options are petiole, vein, stipule.
I'm petiole.
Stipule. जरा से रह गया. Petiole के नीचे stipule होता है. Petiole वो डंडी को बोलते हैं और उसके नीचे जो छोटे नए leaves आते हैं, they are called as stipules. Understand? They are small leaf-like structures near the leaf base. All right. There are two types of leaves. Which are they?
What, ma'am?
There are two types of leaves. Which are they?
Ma'am, leaf.
Simple leaves and
What, ma'am?
which are the two types of leaves? One is simple leaves. Other one is I'll give you options. Okay? Mixed leaves, compound leaves, new leaves.
Compound leaves.
Yes, very good. Now the next one is, okay, this one, the next one is for you. I hope you can get this right. Uh, the leaves, okay, the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into small parts. I repeat, the leaf blade of some plants or some leaves is divided into small parts. They are called as dash. The leaf blade is divided in small parts. They are called as dash. Your options are stipules, petioles, leaflets.
And leaflet.
Correct. Okay. All right. Mm, that's it. करो आगे का करो. फ्लावर और फ्रूट कवर करो. चलो जल्दी. डू वन थिंग. सिर्फ फ्लावर करो. फ्रूट तुम घर पे खुद से भी कर सकती हो. उसमें एक प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा जिजीफस. वो तुमको नहीं आएगा सिर्फ. डू द फ्लावर वन. व्हाट इज कैलिक्स, कोरोला, एंथ्रेशियम, गाइनेशियम. मैं पूछूंगी अभी. जल्दी करो. Done?
I'm done.
Shabash. Let's shoot. Close your book. All right. Name the following. This is the female reproductive part of the flower.
Gynoecium.
Very good. Name the following. This is the male reproductive part of the flower.
I'm an
Androecium.
Anoecium.
Uh, okay. The leaf-like parts called sepals, they form the dash.
Callus.
Very good. Dash is made up of colorful parts called petals.
Corolla.
Very good. Give any two examples of flowering plants.
I'm colorful flowering plant.
Hmm.
I'm rose, mogra, etc.
Will do. Then androecium. Each stamen is made up of dash and dash.
I'm style,
Stamen,
stamen,
stamen.
stamen and ovary.
Stamen में दो चीजें होती है. The stamen is made up of dash and dash. तुम जो बोल रही हो कार्पेल का है. Stigma, style and ovary. मुझे stamen का चाहिए. Anther
and filament.
इनको अंडरलाइन करो. इसका मतलब तुम इसमें कंफ्यूज हो रही हो. तो स्टैमेन और कार्पेल इसको अंडरलाइन करो एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू रिवाइज इट एटलीस्ट 2 or 3 times बिफोर योर टेस्ट. ऑलराइट.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर ऊपर रिसेप्टेकल करके एक है. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. Pedicel वाला part. Flowers are may have a long or short stalk called dash. Did you learn that?
No, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. उसको अंडरलाइन करो. पेडिसेल वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड उसका अदर एंड रिसेप्टिकल ऑन लाइन नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 5th लाइन रिसेप्टिकल. These two things are important. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Fruits you do on your own. I don't think so there should be a problem. Okay?
It is easy.
Yes, it is easy. Okay, you are ready for tomorrow's test, I guess. Make sure जहाँ जहाँ गलतियाँ की, you revise them. Now you know where you are making mistake, where you are getting stuck while answering. Make sure you revise it well, and I want full marks tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. We'll call it a day.
Yes.
All the best. I'll see you. Today's what? Wednesday. Tomorrow, Thursday.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.